Oh, hey there. Man, these things are huge. Can you help me out? So these right here are my Quantum V2 from Hobby King, and then I also have the Quantum Diversity receiver here. So these goggles have served me for a pretty good while now. The big thing about them is they're just not travel friendly, and it's, you're going to see what the big difference in the size is. But it served me well, and it definitely is going to be a good backup goggle. But just look how big they are. All right, so let's see what is coming up on the bench now that is getting to replace it. Look at that. HD3 cores from Fat Shark. So yes, these, I have been waiting to get some of these for quite some time now. Just try to put it, I mean, look, they're inside a shipping box that is smaller than the goggles itself. So yes, this is exciting. Never had any of the Fat Shark goggles. Like I said, that's the first goggle that I've had. And I think I mean, they're really my first set of goggles. I had another E-Machine little goggles, but they didn't last me very long because it wasn't big enough and they didn't have diversity. So I got that. Now the one thing is this right here, this whole setup cost me just maybe, like, without the battery, we're looking at about $110, something around there. And this is, well, right now there are $3.99. So, and you still got to get the receiver. So, that being said, I want to send out a shout out to Haley Nation, John over there. He actually sent me one of, I guess, his personal cable, so I can use the this diversity receiver on here as my receiver for my Fat Sharks until my LaForge V4 comes in. That will be going in here, and I'm excited for that, and I'll definitely have that on my channel too. So just really thank you so much, Haley Nation, for getting it out. And then so awesome. And I got them in about 2 days. Haley Nation has fast shipping, and I guarantee you, if for some reason I have some problems out of these goggles, they will take care of me. So once again, thank you very much, Haley Nation, for your customer service. So let's get with the opening up. I'm so excited. So yes, all right. Let's not cut the box. Woo! All right. All right, here we go. Woo! All right. Let's see how these slide out. Okay. This is why you're supposed to pre-unbox it, right? All right, they just slide straight out there. Oh, look at that. Look at that. And it even got a little case with it. Oh, so excited. Let's see what's on the inside first. We've got some foam here. And then I guess this goes on the faceplate here. And the foam sticks to it. So that's pretty neat. So it's easy to change out. It looks like you get 2 different foams pads here, and there you got your thin one. I don't know if it's going to show up on camera, but there's that. You get that, and then of course your little your sticky thing here. Then you get some stickers, Fat Shark stickers, and a little guide here, which is nice to have. And then also quality check by Fat Shark, passed. Looks like 10218, I guess. So these should be definitely the latest revision of any of the goggles. So, all right, here it's time. Oh me. All right, so we get a cloth here to clean your lenses. We get a Fat Shark battery. You got to get your 18 650 batteries to put in here, which I don't know if I'm going to be using this or not. And I will show you. I did get this right here, so I can use a standard LiPo. It's from skywardrc.com, and it has your little balance plug for your fan, and then it also has the barrel connector, and then it hooks to an XT60. It should be long enough to go in your pocket. This thing is rated 9.5 volts to 26 volts, but the output is always 8 volts, 2 amps. So hopefully that will be good, and then that way I can still continue using my LiPos to be able to see my Fat Sharks here. So let's get them out here. Oh me, wow, they are actually lighter than I thought. They're definitely lighter than them the Quantum V2s there, but yes, they feel nice. So of course it's all been done before. You know, you got your HDMI, your headphone, you want to turn your RX off when you install them here, on or off, your head tracker port, here to change your IDP, your distance between your eyes. It does come with a strap here. Right here is going to be your AV-in, your power, your fan. Of course, that's your fan, and then you got all your buttons on the top. So, yes, this is nice. And then also, I've got a different head strap that most likely I'll be using. And that is this one right here. Has this big pad on the back, and I believe it will keep that that strap from sliding up and down on your head when you get it adjusted. But yeah, so once again, thank you, Heli Nation. Thank you, big shout out to the Music City Multi-Rotor Club. I love going out and racing with them, but I am excited, and 4 batteries later. Alright, so I just got done flying. Turns out that my Quantum V2s are 16x9, and these are 4x3, which I knew. I didn't know the Quantums was, but it definitely feels different flying because I've got more top and bottom of the screen. So I've got to get to where I'm supposed to be focusing the eyes, but for the most part, look clear, look great. Flew 4 batteries. The 4th battery, I started feeling the view of the 4x3. The text looks a lot better on Betaflight. Thanks for the gesture, John, but this cable didn't turn out to work out. For some reason, the image was crazy or something. I don't know. It was flickering. I thought maybe it was 3D or whatever, but I ended up piecing this one together for my ground station, and it worked fine. So I don't know exactly. I think you said something about this was from a clear view unit, maybe something different. I don't know. The cable looks great. I don't know. Maybe I can figure it out, but I wasn't able to get it to work with the goggles. The battery pack seemed to be working pretty good, other than obviously I had this wire hanging down. But if it gets to where, you know, I'm wearing it a little bit longer, then I'd probably wrap it around the back or something. I do have the battery case if I decided to, you know, that I wanted the case on the side. I did end up using the thicker foam on the goggles. I did try the thin foam, but I had a lot of light liquid leakage, so I didn't even really try to fly with it. Looks like my IPD adjustments are all the way in. I can do like a click out on each one from the inside, and it's about right. It definitely takes a little bit of getting used to, but overall these things are so much smaller, and yeah, I'm excited to really, I can't wait to get my LaForge in, because having that second wire there to the ground station is pretty rough. Also, this one's pretty short. I may try to purchase one and see if I can get it to work. I don't know what exactly happened to this other one, but just wanted to kind of do a follow-up. I haven't changed out the pad yet. I'm going to try that and see what happens, but overall, I mean, awesome. I am excited. So, thanks again for watching. Have a great day.
Make the ground shake.